Video man.
Video man, video man. One at a time.
Oh, we should take a picture of this with the camera. I think this is interesting. Take a picture of this.
Alexander Stewart grew up in Glasgow, Scotland, a major shipbuilding capital. Until he came to the U.S. in 1861, he sailed the world as a seaman. He joined the Union Navy in 1863 when he began painting primarily.
You better let Carlos Martinez take your picture. I'm gonna get on your case.
Calm down, he's an animal.
No, he knows he sees me.
They're leaving.
Oh, there it is. The lightweight bird is best known for its unusual call. Give me a call. Is there a big owl on this one?
Take your picture. Anthony say take your picture.
Delicious. That was getting mad.
Dude, you missed my picture.
Straining.
Wow.
See, look at the pretty cat.
I got that.
This one likes to tempt you. He's got two of them. And then there's the other side. He wakes everybody up in the morning. That means says open up. Come on, open up. That's the mayor. Yeah.
Oh my God.